so bad. Hey y'all. Okay, so back with another day of Vlogmas. This is like day 20. As you see, I have on a little PJ. It's really like a onesie, but I just have on sweats with it. We're going to a little Christmas brunch. I was planning on staying in the bed all day, but people got me up and at 'em, so I'm about to go meet Dakaya at brunch. And yeah, I really just plan on like chilling, nothing too crazy. I'm also going to take my coworker to the airport later. And yeah. Ty, come say hi to the vloggy vlog.
Hi vlog. You can't see my face though.
No, oh dang, you on CarPlay?
Yeah.
Y'all can hear her. Y'all know she there. Period. Say it again.
Always, never too far.
Thank ya. Oh, I just love all the Christmas decor. I'm overly like festive. It's funny because I think this is where we were at like yesterday. It just looks different in the daytime clearly. But like look at all the little Christmas decor, like the little Christmas elves. Merry Christmas. Like I actually am obsessed. Stop. I'm too obsessed. Okay. Yeah, this is literally where we was at taking pictures the other day. But I need to figure out how to turn this thing around. Looking, babe. Yeah. It's actually super hot out here, crazy enough. But I still have on my little Christmas PJs. I just got on some sweats over top of it. But I have several Christmas like short sets, and I could have worn those. And that's what I should have worn for real. The way it's feeling, real toasty, real toasty. Oh, that's majestic. We went in there too. Lovely. Okay. You just want to be seen so bad. I love all the Christmas decor. Anyways, I love the decor. It makes me so happy. I just love Christmas things. This is my vlog. Okay, so we're getting, I know, she's almost done. We're getting matching bracelets. There it is that at Hazel on Pine, but they're moving to New York, so y'all out of luck.
Cute, I love it.
But like, there, look at all the charms. Okay, yeah, we gotta see those too. Look, yeah. And then we have matching airplanes.
Yes.
That's super cute. Yeah, that's T.
That is cute.
Okay.
All right, I'm ready.
Okay, so clearly I'm back at the crib. I am basically supposed to be cleaning up, either that or taking a nap, one or the other. But after we got our matching bracelets, Dakaya and I, we also got like, well, our bracelets aren't matching. We got different charms, like, but we did get a matching little airplane charm because we both like to travel. But yeah, I took a friend to the airport. This is so random, but I actually love like picking people up and like taking them to and from the airport, only because like I feel like it's so much nicer to have a familiar face when you're going away or coming back. My roommate used to do it for me, and I used to love it. Like I used to be so excited. And so I'm always like super excited when anyone I know picks me up from the airport, especially like when I travel a lot. So like, you know, being able to have someone there for me instead of just like a driver is always really nice. But yeah, right now I'm like cleaning up, folding clothes. My parents are coming this week, so I'm trying to get the house cleaned up. I need to grocery shop. What am I hearing? Girl, living alone will have you tripping. But yeah, I need to get some things like cleaned up and stuff. So yeah, this is gonna be like a chill night. Um, yeah, I really don't have a ton. It was a good day. It was a fun day. The past 2 days have been very spontaneous and fun, which is how much of my life tends to go. But it's been very cool documenting everything. And yeah, like I said, I'm extremely excited about my GoPro. Like, I don't think y'all understand. Like, it's just a part of it is really just the sentiment of like my dad getting it. Like, I just feel like I said before, like my parents are so supportive of me, and so I'm just so grateful to have people that believe in my dreams. Yeah, so that's really really cool. So I'm excited to see them, and I told my mom to bring some Christmas PJs because I actually forget I have so many. So yeah, we trying to be, Christmas up. So yeah, this is probably all that I got for y'all today. Like I said, I'm gonna just kind of clean up. Da, 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 da. I love you guys. Like, subscribe. See you later.